Trash is not always ew. It can become something.
Keep watching till the end to know what it could be.
Welcome to Kids Arts Hub with Oju.
Hi everyone, I have a very cool idea to turn trash into something very beautiful. Let's start. I'm using pizza bases, but you can use any cardboard and cut it into circles. So friends, let's begin.
First, color the cardboard with white spray paint, like this.
Now, color another cardboard with any dark color. I'm using acrylic dark green color. It's done.
White pizza base, acrylic colors, and cookie cutters.
By using pencil, make the shape and then color is one way.
Another way.
If small kids are coloring, then you can hold the cookie cutter and let them color inside the shape for perfect shape. You could use a brush or you could just use your fingers. It's fine, you could do it anyway. Now, let's finish the rest. When I'm bored, painting is my favorite thing to do. What do you guys like to do when you're bored? Tell me in the comment section. I like to use my fingers directly to paint. How about you guys? Let me know in the comment section. Here is the first piece of cardboard that turned into a beautiful painting. Another way is to randomly make a bunch of shapes on one piece of cardboard and color them with different colors like this.
Different style with mirror shapes.
Now this one we're going to do with mirrors. Let's begin.
First, we'll place this circle in the center. So now I'm going to use a square shape and put it right here. So I'm going to put it like right there. Okay, we have to put it all around. All of it is done. Now we're going to use these diamond shape and put them. Now let's do it all around. I'm using my two fingers and putting two different colors on each finger and then alternately putting dots. I'm putting the dots around the mirrors, but you can use your own way to make it beautiful.
All done. Here's our results. Trash is not always ew. It can become something new. So friends, how do you think about this DIY idea? Was it fantastic? Comment down below. If you like this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.